Did you know Warren Buffett made his first fortune using a free trap when he was just 17? This is the secret most business schools won't teach you, the counterintuitive trick that turns conventional wisdom on its head. It's a strategy that seems like a direct path to bankruptcy, yet for those who understand it, it's a key to unlocking market dominance. This isn't just a business tactic, it's a fundamental shift in how you see value. And it starts with a simple, powerful question. What if your biggest perceived loss was actually your greatest weapon? Meet Joseph. He inherited a small water purification station from his father, a business teetering on the brink of collapse. The machinery was old, the shelves were gathering dust, and the few customers he had were dwindling. He was trapped, trading endless hours for pennies, watching his family's legacy evaporate. Desperate, he stumbled upon the story of a young Warren Buffett and his pinball strategy. It was a moment of clarity. Joseph realized he wasn't in the business of selling water. He was in the business of attracting people. With newfound resolve, he decided to do the unthinkable. He would give his product away for free. This is the essence of the loss leader strategy. Most new entrepreneurs make a critical $300 mistake. They focus only on the profit margin of a single transaction. They buy a product for $10, add their markup, and sell it for $15, believing that $5 profit is the only game. But this locks them into a cycle of grinding for small wins. Buffett understood the bigger picture. In the 1940s, a 17-year-old Buffett noticed that barbershops in Washington, D.C. were losing money. His solution? He didn't sell them better scissors. He offered to install high-quality pinball machines in their shops for free, splitting the profits. The pinball machines were the loss leader, a free attraction that dramatically increased foot traffic and, consequently, the barber's core business, making Buffett a fortune in the process. Inspired, Joseph put up a massive sign, "Free pure water." Suddenly, his dilapidated station was flooded with people. Cars lined up, jugs in hand. While he wasn't making a cent on the water, he now had something far more valuable: attention and traffic. He started selling high-margin items people needed anyway: coolers, reusable bottles, ice, and healthy snacks. Then he leveraged his traffic to strike deals, placing vending machines and local food stalls on his property for a share of their revenue. He didn't just sell water, he hijacked an entire local supply chain, turning his free offering into a powerful customer magnet that controlled the flow of commerce in his area. His station became a bustling hub, and he was at the center of it all. If you don't understand this principle, you are destined to be prey in the modern economy. You will be the person paying full price, the one whose attention is being bought and sold, the one stuck trading your limited time for a fixed wage. The system is designed to keep you focused on the small transaction, the hourly rate, the single sale. Escaping this trap requires a mental shift. Stop thinking about making money and start thinking about building systems that generate it. Your goal isn't just to work, it's to own the machine. If this changed how you think, like the video, subscribe, tap the bell, so you don't miss the next breakdown. If you're not following the Wealth Without Illusions channel, you may not see us again. But if you do follow, then congratulations, you're growing consistently every day. Share this with somebody today that feels stuck and would benefit from this.